Hi guys, today I will teach you how to make faceless meditation guides video using Pictory AI. If you watch this video you can earn lots of money from YouTube, so watch this video until you learn how to make faceless meditation guide video. Let's get started.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to bring some peace and mindfulness into your life, today we're diving into the wonderful world of meditation. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refresh your practice, I'll guide you through some simple steps to get started. Let's jump in. What is meditation? First, let's talk about what meditation is. At its core, meditation is about focusing your mind and eliminating distractions. It can help reduce stress, improve concentration, and promote emotional health. There are many forms of meditation, but today we'll focus on a simple mindfulness practice. Step 1. Finding your space. Choose a quiet and comfortable spot where you won't be disturbed. This could be a corner of your room, a park, or anywhere you feel at peace. You can even create a little meditation corner with cushions, candles, or plants to make it feel special. Step 2. Getting comfortable. You can sit cross-legged on the floor, on a chair with your feet flat, or even lie down if that feels better. The important thing is to keep your back straight to allow for easy breathing. Rest your hands on your knees or in your lap. Step 3. Focusing on your breath. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your belly rise. Hold it for a moment, then slowly exhale through your mouth. Let's try this together. Inhale, hold, and exhale. Do this a few times, allowing your body to relax with each breath. Step 4. Observe your thoughts. As you meditate, you may notice your mind wandering. That's completely normal. Instead of getting frustrated, gently acknowledge those thoughts and let them float away like clouds in the sky. Bring your focus back to your breath whenever you notice your mind drifting. Step 5. Set a timer. If you're new to meditation, start with just 5 to 10 minutes. You can use your phone or a meditation app to keep track. As you become more comfortable, you can gradually increase the time. Step 6. Closing your session. When your timer goes off, take a moment to notice how you feel. Open your eyes slowly, stretch if you need to, and take a few deep breaths before transitioning back to your day. Carry that sense of calm with you. And there you have it. A simple way to start your meditation practice. Remember, consistency is key, so try to meditate daily, even if it's just for a few minutes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mindfulness tips. Thanks for watching, and happy meditating.